Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable productive text on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as if you want to enable or disable productive text, it's very easy. First click on Start. Now click on Settings. After click on Devices. And here left panel option Typing. So click it. Now scroll down. Here option Show Text Suggestions as type. So if you want to disable, so select to off position, and if you want to enable productive text, so slash to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable productive text and Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.